Maori ora whānau. Been down the childcare centre this morning, the ABCs. So here's the ABCs of Te Reo Māori, Te Matatau I Te Reo, the Māori alphabet. And yeah, I'll just try and bang it out so it doesn't turn it into a movie. Oro puare, open sounds, ara, a, e, I, o, u. Really do that over and over with the kiddies so it really gets in. Just like washing your hands. Okay, a, e, I, o, u. And the orokati, the closed sounds, ara, h, k, m, n, p, r, t, w, ng, f. Ka whai, bang that out, that's the orokati. And then you know there's the blends in the ororua, blending the two sounds, a e, a I, a o, a u. E a, e I, e o, e u. I a, I e, I o, I u. Ua, ue, ue, uo. Oa, oe, oi, ou. And so on and so forth. Okay? So anyway, just want to get to when you can play the piano. Aha ka mana para tawanga pa. So that the objective of that song and the limerick or the rota is to see if you can make all those sounds. So I'm going to sing it. So I'm rushing it along so we can sing it. Otherwise it'll be going in for the BAFTA Awards. So okay, here's the song. Put whatever word you want into it for your town, or just make it yours. Just mix it up. Haha. You start out slow and then it picks up speed, and then that's testing your ability to pronounce and announce all those sounds. Ahaka mana para tawanga pa, eheke mene pere tewe ne pe, ihiki mini piri tiwi ne pi, ohoko mono poro tongo po, a e I o u, ohoko mono poro tongo po. Ramati kapiti para umue o taki wai kanai kai kakariki kia kahatata akamana para tawanga pa eheke mene kere tewenge pe ihiki mini piri tiwingi pi ohoko mono toro tongo po a e I o u ukumunu puru tungu pu poriru a titahi waitangiru e kapimana Aotea Takapua hia kia kahata ho akamana para tawanga pa eheke mene peri tewe ne pe ihiki mini piri tiwi ne pi oko mono toro tongo po a e I o u ukumono puru tungu fu a e I o u uhukumunu puru tungu fu Kiimai Māori whānau Aoitepö haumie hui e taiki e Doits kia ora.